I absolutely had to rush over to this home and give you a tour of this space. It is so charming and so cute. It's listed by Pavlena and Kathy over at Nested Real Estate, and they did such a beautiful job preparing the home for sale. I don't know if this is what the homeowners live like, but it's a super, super cozy bungalow, and I just wanted to share it with you because I really personally enjoyed how cheery and bright this space is, and I think you'll love it too. Let's take a tour.
still watching, it's clear you're here for the house, so let's get straight into some quick specs about the property. The house is listed for just under $1 million. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 2 plus bedrooms. Location-wise, the home is on Jane Street and it's slightly north of Annette, so Jane and Annette basically, which is just north of Flora West Village. It is a slightly busier street, which could be a turnoff for some people, but I personally think the home is so charming that it would be worth considering anyway, especially with the way that the backyard is finished. It is close to one of my favorite coffee shops called Golden Gecko Coffee. And it's just a really cute area to walk around. You can go into the Babby Point area to walk. There's lots of parks. You're nice and close to the valley and the Humber River. It's about a 20-minute commute driving to downtown on a good day without traffic, and maybe, depending on the time of day you leave, upwards of 40 minutes with traffic downtown. And walking to Transit and Flora West Village would be a breeze, so it's definitely a home to consider if you're in the 1 million price point. Thanks so much for watching this tour. I had a fun time putting it together. We're actually going to Palm Springs this week, so I'm excited to show you some of the houses we see in California. If you like this type of video, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for subscribing, and hopefully we can stay in touch.